Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. I am Ravishandra Vishwas with you, and today we will discuss about non-finite verbs from English second paper. Look on the board. I have prepared a graph on it. This is a tree diagram. This is called, and on this diagram we can see the main topic is non-finite verbs. And the non-finite verbs are classified into three different groups. The first one is infinitive, the second one is participle, and the third one is called gerund. So these are the main three types of non-finite verbs, and among all these types, we shall also discuss some properties and functions of these non-finite verbs. First of all, we will discuss about infinitive. As you can see, I have written the form of an infinitive. An infinitive is formed with to and the base form of the verb. Look, this verb shall be used in the base form, not in another form. That is, we cannot add any s or es with this verb. We cannot add an ing with this verb, or even we cannot add an ed or make it a past form. So infinitive doesn't have any other form but the base form of the verb. So an infinitive is formed with a to and the verb in the base form. Number two is participle. Participle are also classified in three different types. The three different types. The first one is present participle. Second one, past participle, and the third one, perfect participle. So the present participle is formed with an ing form. The verb is in the ing form. That is, we use an ing at the end of the verb. This is present participle, and the present participle functions as an adjective or an adverb. And you can remember that a present participle is also used in the continuous tense. That is, whenever we form a present continuous tense or a past continuous tense, we need a present participle. That is the verb with an ing. Okay. The second one is past participle. The past participle is the third form of the verb. As you go through the list of the verbs, that is, first one is present, second one is past, and third one is past participle. So the past participle is the third form of the verb. That is the ed form or the forms. I'll show some examples. For example, made becomes made and then again made. This is the third form, and this is the past participle form. For example, do changes into did in past and done in past participle form. These are the third form, and these are the past participle form. A past participle is also used in perfect tense, that is present perfect or past perfect or future perfect, any type of perfect. Whenever you form a perfect, you need a past participle. A past participle usually functions as an adjective. And the third form of a participle is the perfect participle. A perfect participle is formed with having and the past participle. That is, perfect participle is the combination of these first two forms. That is, the present participle have with an ing and the past participle form of the verb. That is, for example, having done. So having and the past participle form of the verb. This is the perfect participle, and the perfect participle usually functions as an adverb. The third and final form of the non-finite verbs is called gerund. Gerund is the ing form of of a verb. Look, here we face a function. This is also an ing form, and we have already seen that the present participle is an ing form of the verb. So what is the difference between these two? Look, the present participle functions as either an adjective or an adverb, but the gerund functions as a noun. That is, when we use a gerund, we can use it as a subject of a verb of another verb, or even as an object of a verb. And you can remember that whenever we use a preposition with a verb, that is, a verb follows a preposition, the verb is in the ing form. That is actually the gerund of the verb. So these are the basic forms and basic functions of non-finite verbs. In our next class, we shall discuss more about non-finite verbs and see how these verbs functions. So thank you.